Looking for a tea kettle that delivers boiling water quickly and adds a touch of style to your kitchen? The Cuisinart Aura 2-quart tea kettle promises just that. With its sleek polished stainless steel exterior and a traditional whistle that signals when your water has reached a rolling boil, it's a practical and elegant addition to any home. I've been using the Aura kettle for a while now, and what stands out is how effortlessly it fits into daily routines. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable and secure, making pouring safe and spill-free. Unlike some kettles that leave you guessing, the whistle's clear, pleasant sound lets you know exactly when your water is ready. No need to hover or keep checking. Plus, the non-reactive interior means no corrosion, so the kettle stays looking fresh and clean even after regular use. Cleaning is straightforward, too. While the instructions suggest dish soap and water, many users, including myself, find rinsing thoroughly or skipping soap helps avoid any residue that could affect taste. I often steep tea bags directly in the kettle, so I make it a habit to clean it right after use to keep the interior spotless and prevent discoloration. The kettle heats water quickly, even without cranking the stove to the highest setting, thanks to its efficient design. What you get with the Cuisinart Aura is more than just boiling water. It's a combination of style, reliability, and thoughtful design that makes everyday tea time or cooking prep smoother. The BPA-free construction adds peace of mind, and the limited lifetime warranty shows Cuisinart stands behind its quality. If you're ready for a kettle that works as hard as you do and looks great doing it, this one's worth a look. If that's you, consider upgrading your kitchen with the Aura 2-quart tea kettle. It's simple, dependable, and designed to fit seamlessly into your routine. Try it when you're ready to enjoy boiling water made easy, with style and confidence.